This is the rear seat backrest unit for the Austin Healey BJ8 models. That's the Austin Healey 3000, the very last ones. It's quite unique to the BJ8 in that this doubles up as a rear seat backrest like this, or then folds down and creates a luggage shelf which is carpeted. So this is fully trimmed up. It's been made using our vinyl rear seat kit as well as our woodwork rear seat units. So this is how it sits in the car. This is in its backrest form. It's been done in vinyl. So vinyl originally had the square embossed pattern on it, and it also used chrome piping around the edge. If that switched to leather faced or full leather, you would have vertical pleats on there, and they wouldn't have used chrome piping, they would have used self-coloured piping. This has been done in biscuit light tan vinyl with the chrome piping. All the vinyl kits always used to have these leather tabs here and here, so regardless of the main material, they were always leather, those bits. When we supply them in our kits, they are supplied in one piece with the holes punched at each ending. You just have to snip it in half to make it into the two pieces. So this is in its rawest form at the backrest, but then if we undo these buttons up here, it folds down effectively. So that's the first fold there, and then second fold out like that. Pop that back up again. Obviously it's a bit more rigid when it's in your car, bolted down. So you have the pre-cut holes at the back here. Obviously they have the chrome finisher on them on this case here. We sell those separately if you do need them. So it's been trimmed up in the vinyl here. Obviously it'd be leather if it was full leather, but vinyl again if it was leather faced. And then you have the carpet section here with the vinyl in the middle and the hinges on it there. The carpet, this has been done in Palomino Deluxe woven wool. We tend to recommend always getting this matched to your main carpet set. So if we're making a whole kit for you, not a problem, we can just match it to that and do it all at the same time. However, if we're only making you the rear seat kit, for example, then we always try and match what you've currently got in there. Standard choices are you've got sort of the deluxe wool at one end, then you've got Carvel, which is the ribbed material, then you've got nylon at the other end. So let us know with that. So it's all trimmed around. Bear in mind the plywood kit that we supply for the rear seat also includes this U-shaped metalwork that goes around the frame there, and that basically was put in there as this little lip to stop your luggage if you're using it as a luggage shelf, stop that from falling off onto the seats if you're going along in the car with it all. So it all folds together. They are quite tight fitting when you trim everything up with the vinyls and or leathers. It can be tight fitting, so just bear that in mind. What we recommend you do is trim each part up individually, then start constructing it together. Just take your time with it, dummy run a few things just to make sure you're on the same page with it all before you actually start properly gluing everything together. Contact us if you have any questions. We've got quite a few photos on our system that will be able to help, but as you can see, very nice result there. This one's going over to the US. So yeah, just fold that back up for you and clip those back in, and there she is.